Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Casio G Shock Features, and today I bring one another Casio watch. Just check it out how it's look. As you can see, this is the calculator watch and the model number of this watch is DBC32D1ADF. Just first look outer how it's look. Like this it's open. It's old style open and closing. Like this type of belt the company given, and you can set a size also without removing the pins. If you want to make it small and only one or two pin you want to be removed, you no need to remove the pins. You can just set it from here to keep upside these pins. And here company mentioned 10-year battery life and 5 telephone number you can save by the name in this watch. And as you can see, this is all calculator watch, and there is one more feature, currency converter. This is one new feature in this watch I saw, and I will show you how to use that feature also. First come to how to set the time. You see here mention adjust mode, and here mention light and 24 hours. Okay, you have to be keep in mind that light button is here and 12 hours button here adjust button, and here mode button. There is 2 button here and 2 button here. Okay, now come to the features, how to set the time. First I am showing you adjust button. You have to be hold it for few seconds, and after you can set whatever seconds you want. You just press this button one time, and you can see here it's changing whatever. This is 2001, but you can keep whatever now 2021, and this is the English language. You can keep here 13 language in this watch. And how to change the language, just press this button or this button. See, I'm pressing first on the corner. See, it's changing the Turkish, Rome, Portugal, Italian, Netherlands, France, Spain, and this is the English. 13 language you can keep, and whatever time you want to be set, just set the time. This is the date, this is the month, this is the year. I'm pressing this button. This is the seconds, whatever seconds, minute you want, you can set here. After all finish, just press adjust button one time and you can set your time. See, if you want to be set it for AM or PM, just press it here PM button. See, it's changing the A and now P. Okay, on the down there is a mention PM. You just press it this button. Okay, now come to other feature. First I show you normal feature. See, this is your light. If you want to be auto light, just hold it this button, and if you see here upside there is auto light feature is mentioned. If I hold it this light button, you can see the here on the box, small box, it's become a black. See, I'm holding this light button for few seconds, and as you can see here auto light is black. It means this is auto light call. See, auto light. And if you no need, just hold it this button once again. You can stop your auto light. Okay, now come to other feature. Just press mode one time, and this is, you can keep here 25 mobile number or code, whatever you want. You can keep it here with the name is mentioned upside, and here number. Carefully how I am doing, I am just pressing the adjust button for few seconds, and you can see here bar is going. Then I am pressing this button on the corner for the alphabetic, whatever alphabet you want you can keep. Like example, I'm just pressing now A B C D, and if you want to be set like C, just press it this button, tail forward button. You have to be use only this corner button. See, I'm using this corner button. See, B, A B C D, all alphabet you can see here till, see, I'm pressing only this button. Then again 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 9 0. Then it's come again. Example, like press A. Now I want to be press another alphabet. Press this one, it come to other one, whatever A, B example I want. Then if you want to be set another alphabet, just go to and press. I'm pressing this button, then press it this A, B, C. Okay, after A, B, C finish, just press it again this button. It's continuously, you can write your full name. Now see, I'm going down. How to going down? Just press it this button. Then you can see the bar is blinking on the down. Now you have to be press this button, mode button, till this bar come here. Okay, see, I'm pressing. See, it's changing his place, and we have to be keep here. Now whatever number you want, you can type it here, like 4, 5, 7, whatever you want, you can keep it here. See, I'm continuously typing. Whatever, after all finish, just press it adjust button one time. Now it's blink all and set it. Now come outside. If you want to be see what you want, what you save, just press it mode and see, this one you save and this one different. Now this one for other one, you can keep for new one. Okay, if you want to be see your code, whatever code you keep, you don't want to go inside, like you don't want to go inside, you can set it and come out. After just press it this button. See, now your code it will be visible on the display. You don't need to go inside the feature. This is good feature also. Okay, now come to other feature I am showing you. This one, currency exchange converter. If like whatever example, I'm just keep it for 1000. See, example, I keep it here into 1000 and I save this one and press it adjust. Okay, now I want to see example what's divide. If you want, if currency value is for 245, example 245, and I already mentioned there 1000, then press it into. See, now your currency will multiply by 1000 automatically, because I already set it there for currency value 1000. You get? See, I am showing you once again. Adjust button. See, you can see here I set it already for 1000. If you want to be here divided, you just press it divide button, and now whatever you type in currency, it will be divided by 1000. See now. Okay, example, I make it same 245 once again, and then press it is equal to. Now you see 0.245 is divided in 1000. I think you will get it, my point. You have to be try once again continuously, then you will understood what I want to tell you. It's easy, it's not difficult. Now come to the features, other feature. I show you the book. Come to other feature, how to use the calculator. Just press mode button one time, two time. You are in currency converter. Then you have to be press this button. You entered in calculator, whatever calculator you want. Here divide into, minus, plus, everything is here available. Okay, so I'm giving you demo. 7 into 5 is equal to, press PM, is 35. Okay, now I show you this currency also. Now alarm feature, just hold it this button for few seconds, and now whatever alarm you want, you can set it here. PM also mention. If you want to be set it for AM, you can set it for AM also. Like press it this button. See, it's changing the direction first. Whatever minute you want, you have to be. See how to set the alarm 2, just press it this button. See, alarm 2, alarm 3 on the corner, first button. Alarm 5 button, 5 alarm is there, and the last is sigma. For is every hour giving indicate that 1 hour finish. If If you want to be start the Sigma option, you have to be press this button one time. So you can see the down Sigma option is come now. If you want to be remove, you can remove. Okay. Now come to other feature. I show you this one also. Currency I finish. Now stopwatch, start, stop, make it reset. This is very easy. Now what remain? This is dual time. See, 7:26. This is our first time, but dual time you can keep it here whatever hour you want. You can keep it here. Like example, I keep it for like 1. Okay, and finish. I come out. Now you can see there is dual time. You can see here. If you want to be see the dual time, just hold it, press this button on the corner. You can see your dual time. See like this. You can see. Okay. It's 24 hours now. See, I'm showing you once again. See now here 7:27 a.m. is showing. But if you want to convert this watch in 24 hours, you just press it this button, and this is convert in 24 hours. I hope you like my video. If you have any question regarding to the Casio G-Shock watches, you can ask me. Please subscribe my channel and press a bell notification icon as you can see my latest video as possible. Thank you and have a nice day.